Hi, I'm Ann Cooper. I teach the MELT method. I like to teach MELT with a little bit of humor, but it does require that we learn about the body. MELT method has its own language, and I'll always interpret it until we all start to begin to understand the words that MELT uses to describe the different steps for each move. Awareness is a big part of the MELT method, increasing our awareness of what we feel before and after we do some work with the tools. It's a simple self-care treatment that's designed to give all of us the benefits of working with memory foam rollers and therapy balls that simulates the effect of getting a massage. Then you have these tools or come to class and you can repeat what you've learned and actually refine your skills to feel better in your body.